Good morning, everybody. I apologize if you hear my dryer in the background, but this is life, and I'm up early doing laundry and serving you all. Hopefully, I can help with this today. I am listening to people that want to use the law of attraction, and they're using their words wrong. Don't use these words because it will block the law of attraction. You don't want to be needy. You want to be steadfast in knowing, just like somebody says that you're going to Walmart to go shopping. Well, it's a done deal. You order something from Amazon.com, you know it's on its way. You don't keep emailing them, where's my package, etc., etc. You just know that it's on the way. This is the same with law of attraction. You don't want to use the word need. You don't want to appear needy. You don't need anything. What you want to do is make your affirmations affirmative in the now. I am creating the life of my dreams. I am moving into my dream house. I am abundant. I am wealthy. You've got to bring it into the now. Excuse me. Bringing it into the now means that you know that it's coming without a shadow of a doubt. You know it, you're saying it, you're writing it down. It's a done deal. It's like if you go shopping, you're getting in your car, you are going on a mission, and you're going out to find and get what it is you are after. And, that could include toilet paper or food for your family or anything. But you know what you're going after, and you're going to go get it, which this is good. Use that same feeling and type of attitude with the law of attraction. Now, another word. Don't use I wish. I wish I had a boyfriend. I wish I had a husband or a wife. Stop the wishing. Put it into I am attracting my soulmate. I am attracting a husband that is right for me. I am attracting a girlfriend, a wife that is right for me. Put it in the now. And be sure that that person, whoever it is, will show up in your life. There's no doubt about it. They will show up. Just keep affirming it. Make sure of what you want. You might want to write down what type of person you would be attracted to. Do you want a smoker, a non-smoker, a Christian, or something else? Somebody that's a professional? Or do you want a business type person? Be specific. Are you into health and fitness? Write that down. Somebody who eats carefully so that you're making meals together. Somebody that does not do drugs or drink a lot anyway. Write these things down. It's very important. Most of us have lived long enough to know what we do and don't want anymore. I know I have gone through abusive relationships and abusive marriages, and I want to attract a better sort of person into my life at this point in my life. I am okay, excuse me, with the way things are now. You have to be in a point where this or something better. Always have that attitude, this or something better. A lot of people go and be discouraged because they didn't win the lottery or something. If you're buying your ticket on a hunch, an intuition that you have, just know that your day's coming. But have the attitude, this or something better. Maybe down the road you'll start a business that's $1 million business or something that's going to bring you much more than that lottery ticket or scratch off did. Always be open-minded and accept what the universe, what God is giving you. All things already exist. That money that you want or trying to achieve, don't chase the money. Money is not evil. The love of money, using it wrong, is evil. Make sure your intentions are good, that you want to help people and that you have your sights set on doing something good. This makes a total difference. Excuse me again. Okay, another one we don't want to use is I hope. If you're always hoping for things, you're putting them in the future. You're not bringing them into now. Don't use I hope. I hope I will find somebody to love. I hope I will make $1 million this year. I hope I'll make $100,000 this year. Whatever it is, don't hope. Don't use that word. Bring it into the now. Write down what you want concretely and bring it into the now. Write your stuff on sticky notes and stick it all over wherever you go. The bathroom, on the microwave. That's one I use. I have affirmations on my microwave that I say daily, more times than once a day, and they're the most important ones to me. I write them down and I stick them on my microwave. That way, every time I warm up a cup of coffee or something, I am looking at them. It brings my attention back to what I want, and I affirm that I already have it in the now. I am happy, blessed, and healed. I am prosperous and abundant. I am moving into my dream home. I am. Bring it into the now. And here's another one. Don't use I want. Everything you want is already here on earth. If you're wanting your dream house, it either already exists here somewhere on earth, or the building materials to build that dream home of yours already exists. So, bring everything into the now, We have so much programming in our minds subconsciously that we're going to have to override it. We have been taught since an early age. And look at babies, look at little children. They just believe. Mom, Dad, whoever says I'm going for ice cream, all right. They won't let you forget it either. They will say, you said we are going for ice cream. They want to go. At least my kids did. And that's the way we got to be with the law of attraction here. We need our vibration to match what we want. Keep positive, keep happy, keep affirming, and wake up each day and this is my day. That's mine today. This is my day. This is the day that everything I want is coming to me. Excuse me. Keep affirming that. Keep a happy attitude. Ignore the bad around you or what you perceive as bad. Just ignore it and get on a happy wavelength. Use music or whatever you can. I will link in this video to my subliminals. This helps you reprogram your subconscious mind. Just play them on a loop in the background, doing your chores or whatever. Play them on low and go about your business. Or if you're on a phone, use an earplug or something and do the same thing. Just play it on low and go about your day and start reprogramming your mind. These are free for you to use, and I do offer ones that people pay for that want specific ones for certain needs, love or money or wealth, whatever. And I do offer those, and I do charge for those. But these that I'll link to are my free ones, and I invite you to reprogram your mind and start going after what you really want. God, the universe, is abundant. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. Just look around you. There's always something to be grateful for. And that brings me to the end here. Have an attitude of gratitude. Look around you today and be grateful for what you have already. That's a big key in all of this. We don't necessarily want to give our children more to complain about. Stop the complaining, stop the whining, everything. Take responsibility and start changing your lives. With that, I will leave you, and I will say God bless you. You're immensely loved and appreciated here. I thank you all for taking the time to watch the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.